Hello everyone. So today's session is on the topic write a C++ program to accept the input from the user and display it as an output. So I have Borland C++ compiler which can be downloaded online, and after following the instructions we can have this IDE open. So let's start with the execution. All we can do is go to file and then we have new, and this is the new CPP file which is open. Now I will type out the commands. It all starts with hash include iostream.h. Basically, it's a header file and it will include all the objects that will be required for taking the input from the user and displaying it by making use of in and out objects, which we might be aware of when we go through the theories sessions. Okay, so we have got this hash include iostream.h int main function. As we know, the main function, it is the starting point of the any program, and the execution, it all starts through this. So the main aim is to take the input from the user and display it as an output. We will have an integer with a as variable, int a. Then I will take cout because I need to display a line which says cout enter a number. So in this case, the system is asking for an input from the user, and the user will be typing out from the keyboard, and we have this in object, and we will have this extraction operator. It will be taking the input from the user and storing it in the in object. So we have the in a, and the value of the that number will be stored in this a. Again cout, because this time I need to display the input which has been taken from the user. Cout, then we have this insertion operator. This is called as insertion operator. Cout, insertion operator. And we have this, the number entered by you is this one. And in this case we will be taking the input from a, return 0. So this was a small short program. In this case, there is a variable whose data type is int, and cout enter a number where we will be asking for the number, and the user has to give the input, and the number entered by the user will be displayed here. So let's see the output. Let's run. Okay, enter a number. Suppose if I say it's 9, the number entered by you is 9. So it is the same output. You can see the cout, the number entered by you is, and the system is taking the input from the user and showing it as an output. The number entered by you is 9, and then we have press any key to continue. So I hope the concept is clear. It was all about the cout and in objects, how we implement cout and in objects, and how we can uh, get the output displayed to the user. So I hope the concept is clear. Should there be any queries, feel free to post your queries on technoplex.learning@gmail.com, and I will answer you shortly. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.